In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use quiz and survey funnels in ClickFunnels. Whether you're new to ClickFunnels or simply looking to expand your skills, using quizzes and surveys is a powerful way to engage your audience and gather valuable information. So let's dive right in and get started with creating your first funnel. First, you'll want to log into your ClickFunnels account. Once you're on your dashboard, look for the Create Funnel button. This is where the magic begins. Click it, and you'll be presented with a variety of template options to kickstart your funnel building process. For our purpose, you'll want to choose the option to start with a quiz or survey template. ClickFunnels has made this step incredibly user-friendly by offering these pre-designed templates that take the guesswork out of the design process, helping you focus on the content and structure of your quiz or survey. Now, it's time to name your funnel. Carefully choose a name that reflects the intent or theme of your quiz or survey to make it easily identifiable, especially if you plan to create multiple funnels later on. Once you've named your funnel, go ahead and create it. With just a few clicks, you've laid the foundation for your quiz and survey funnel. The next step is building out your quiz or survey. This is where your creativity comes into play. Think about the types of questions you want to ask. They should be engaging, relevant to your audience, and aligned with your end goals, whether it's to educate, entertain, or collect data. ClickFunnels provides a straightforward interface for adding questions, multiple choice answers, and other interactive elements. Take your time here to craft questions that will not only capture your audience's interest, but also give you the insights you need. Once your questions are in place, it's crucial to incorporate the mechanism for capturing lead information. This step is vital to maximizing the effectiveness of your funnel. You'll want to set up a form that collects essential details like names and email addresses. These fields should be clearly marked and easy for participants to fill out. Remember, the more seamless and unobtrusive this step is, the more likely participants will be to complete it. As a final tip, always preview and test your funnel before going live. This ensures that everything is working smoothly and looking perfect. You want the user experience to be as enjoyable and glitch-free as possible, so don't skip this step. Once you're satisfied with how everything looks and functions, you're ready to publish your funnel and start gathering valuable feedback and data from your audience. And there you have it. Your quiz and survey funnel is ready to go in ClickFunnels. Engage with your audience, collect data, and optimize your strategies, all within a few simple steps. Make sure to check back often to monitor responses and tweak questions if necessary for improvement. Thanks for watching, and happy funnel creation.